Welcome, everyone is a VIVO Y72 and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you put it up for the first time, you will be presented with this screen right over here. So start off by choosing your desired language and from there select start. This will bring you to select your location, so obviously choose your correct location, although it's not really a requirement. Then we have a user agreement. Obviously you do need to agree to it. If you want to read it, you are free to do so. From there, go to the next page. Privacy terms, obviously again something we do need to agree to. Otherwise you can't really finish the setup and use the device. Then we have e-warranty card privacy terms. Apparently there is more things that you need to agree to. Great. And send user and diagnostic data. Now this isn't required. Obviously you can select learn more to learn more, and if you want it, agree to it. If you don't, just ignore it, which will bring you to the next page, which is Wi-Fi connection. So right here you could connect to Wi-Fi or skip it. You also can insert your SIM card instead if you want to use mobile data instead. And the reason you might want to have at least one or the other is because throughout the setup you will have also option to log into your Google account, and additionally date and time will be set automatically if you choose to connect to any kind of network. But because I will be skipping it, I believe date and time, yep, there we go, will show up here. So I will be able to fix it up if it's incorrect or ignore it, to be honest, if I'm planning to connect to the network later on. Then we have Google services, so we have location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. Obviously, if you don't want any of those, you can disable them. If you're not sure what they do, you can tap on an arrow, expand it, read exactly what it does, and again, disable if you don't like it. From there, going to the next page, we have screen locks and just protection to our device. So we have fingerprint, face recognition, and screen locks. Obviously, if you want to use one or two of those lower ones, so fingerprint and face recognition, you will be required to set up some kind of screen lock anyway. That is because if something happens to the phone camera or your face or your finger, you basically lose access to the device. So setting up a screen lock will basically guarantee you that you have some kind of other way of unlocking the device. And additionally, you can also just simply skip this if you don't want to use any kind of screen lock. Then I have keep your system up to date. Gives you where you can look for updates. Select install manually or next. And this basically finishes up the setup. So select start and you should be presented with the home screen. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.